I got a collector's edition I'm going to unbox on the channel today. It's the God of War Ragnarok Jotnar edition for the PS5. I bought it in 2022. I still haven't unboxed it because I knew I'd want to use it on the channel one day. I'm a huge fan of God of War. I played all the main titles from the PS2 up until now. The first game came out in 2005. I was 19 at that time. The first three games are based on Greek mythology. The God of War Ares tricks Kratos into killing his wife and his daughter, so he doesn't get a chance to be a husband or a father in those games. And then he goes on a revenge story of killing all the Greek gods, which is pretty awesome. The 2018 version of God of War is based on Norse mythology. He has a chance to heal, to remarry, and to have a son, Atreus. That really hit home for me in that game because I'm a father, and I just love seeing his character develop and him teaching his son how to hunt, to kill, and to learn about his world. But yeah, I'm going to unbox this and let's see what's all inside. Look at that artwork. They definitely put love into this, for real. Alright gamers, let's get into it. It looks like there's a lid here on top. Well, I like the way this is packaged. Steel book for the game. That's dope. Oh, it looks like it holds two games. I'm guessing God of War 2018 and Ragnarok. I could be wrong though. I've been wrong once before. What are these? Oh, okay. This is Freya and her brother Freyr. What's in this bag? It's a full set of dice for gaming. Oh, this comes out too, okay. Oh, these are pins, I'm guessing. Those are sick. Oh, okay, this is a cloth map. What's in this bag? There's a ring in there. Alright gamers, it's time for the main event. Let's get into it. Oh, magnetic doors, that's a nice touch. Look at that artwork. Oh, there it is. Thor's Hammer Mjolnir. There's something on the side here. Okay. I think this is a vinyl record. Oh yeah. All right, let's get it. Yeah, we gotta rip into this. Yo, look at that. That's sick. It's got some good weight to it too. Alright, I'm gonna get all this in the display cabinet and then I'll show it off when I get it in there. Yo, check it out, gamers. It looks really good in there. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll definitely be back with more content. Peace.